Hey everybody, I'm here to introduce the Bantam Series high clearance rear bumper. Let's go take a look at it. This bumper is made out of 3/16 inch steel, so it's really heavy duty. It also includes a 5-stage powder coat on it so that you protect against all corrosion and rust. But what really makes this bumper special is that it has 6.5 inches of ground clearance over the factory bumper. And this is achieved in several ways. You don't have a factory hitch down here, so that's really nice. Plus, this is also tucked up as high as you possibly can go. But what really makes this special is the end pods over here. This is the bolt-on application where you don't have any cutting required, but allows you to get your bumper 4 inches higher than the factory over here. Plus, it also has a replaceable skid plate in case you do hit it. You can just take that off, ground it down, replace it if you want, and you're good to go. One of the really important things about these end pods is that they continue all the way forward to the factory fender flare, so all of this bedside is protected. Plus, you also have these skid plates that have countersunk hardware on there, so nothing gets hung up when you're on the rocks. All of this was reinforced underneath with 3/16 and 1/4 inch bracketry to make sure that nothing moves and everything is solid. This also includes 3/4 inch shackle mounts as well too, in case you need recovery. Plus it also has some other cool features as well too. Includes all your factory sensors and your factory license plate light as well too. But a really cool feature that we have here is we have this hidden license plate bracket here. This allows you to mount a accessory receiver here so you can carry bikes or whatever you want. Plus, we also can bolt up to a 12,000 pound winch on the back side of this. That's a really cool trick there. Thanks for joining us for the Bantam Series rear bumper. We hope you enjoy it. Come check it out at artecindustries.com.